When cravings to smoke strike, reach for Nicorette Lozenge. The discreet lozenges start to calm cravings in just 2 minutes. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Press gently on the white tab on the side of the box. Step 2. While pressing the tab, pull the top of the box up firmly. Step 3. Push the perforated tab at the top of the box firmly inwards and shake out a lozenge. Step 4. Put the lozenge in your mouth and suck slowly. Step 5. Move the lozenge around your mouth. Step 6. Repeat until completely dissolved without chewing or swallowing it. Use 1 lozenge whenever you feel the urge to smoke, but don't use more than 15 lozenges per day. Quitting isn't easy, but Nicorette Lozenge helps calm your cravings and makes quitting less of a stress.